At the ArktiskMat symposium in Mosjøen, chefs, producers and students from across the world come together to explore Arctic ingredients and share stories through food. This year, young culinary students from Norway, Iceland and the Faroe Islands joined forces in the Taste of the Nordic showcase. Supported by NORA, they set out to explore and elevate underused Nordic ingredients, cooking with both heart, heritage and fresh ideas.
We are in the kitchen. We have students from our school, Mosjøen School. We have students from Faroe Islands and we have students from Iceland. All of them are working together to make a lunch for ArktiskMat symposium tomorrow. We have food products that have come from all of these countries, and now we're all working together and sharing information about the food that we have and how to make certain recipes and dishes. So a lot is happening. We have just tasted fermented whale with whale blubber.
Ja.
We have just tasted Nordic wasabi from Iceland.
Ja. Så det jo veldig lærerikt for elevene, for de lærer jo om, de skal jo lære om andre folks mattradisjoner.
Her deigen til klubb. Vi skal lage miniklubber med brunostduppe og bacon. Ja. Så det blir traditionelt vefning.
The ingredients we choose to pick with us was Icelandic lamb, obviously, which is like the main protein source in Iceland, and we are cooking braised lamb necks, which is underutilized because of it's not considered a prime cut, but it's delicious if you cook it right.
As the young chefs studied the Nordic cuisines, they found that many traditional recipes use the same ingredients, but are made in different ways. Like the Arctic char, a Nordic delicacy well known for its bright red belly.
The Arctic char, it exists everywhere in the Nordic countries and it's a big part of our diet in Iceland and has kept us alive throughout the centuries.
ArktiskMat brings together top food voices from Norway and around the world. Before the lunch, guests walked through Sjøgata, the historic wooden street in Mosjøen. And the lunch is served in the courtyard of Vikgården, the old trading post in town. One of the guests is UK food journalist and broadcaster Dan Saladino, who also joins as a presenter at the symposium.
An immersion into these amazing diverse cultures. So I'm sitting here right now talking to you, having this meal that includes Sami bread and Icelandic bread and all seafood and seaweeds, and so already I feel like I'm in a very different part of the world, in very different food cultures, or experiencing these very different food cultures and hearing so many different stories of traditions, of innovation, and also some very talented people, including some brilliant young chefs.
It's really fun to see both the Icelandic young chefs come and meeting with the Faroese and the local here and creating, like elevating kind of traditional food from there and stand and be proud of it. I mean, it's what we need.
This is my first visit and I find this is something out of this world. I mean, I didn't imagine it like this, but I can really see how it brings the right people together, discussing ideas and forging relationships, and I think it's such a valuable thing for you guys to set up.
For many of the young chefs, the Taste of the Nordic showcase is more than a school project. It's also a taste of the future, where tradition meets innovation, where borders become bridges, and when food becomes a shared language across the Nordics.
It's a learning experience. You're not going to get another chance like this, especially when you're a student.
Yeah.
So you only have a couple years and then you're out in the big world. And in the industry where you can go abroad and get like culinary jobs easily, it's nice to learn how it is working with other people.
And Sienna already has clear ambitions.
Det jo restaurantkokk. Det det jo med aller helst egen restaurant, selvfølgelig. Og en restaurant som bruker lokale råvarer. Jeg har litt lyst til å starte en ute på kysten eller her i Mosjøen. Både for å trekke folk og for at det jo her jeg fra.